There is only one way that we can send a DSC distress alert on our VHF radio. The quickest way for us to send a distress alert is to lift the plastic tab covering the red distress button and holding the distress button for more than 3 seconds. Let's go ahead and look at our equipment. Anytime I use our radio, I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to check for volume, and I'm also going to check the squelch to make sure that it is set at the proper location. Once I have completed that, then I'm ready to use the equipment. First way that we are going to be able to send a distress alert is lifting the plastic tab covering the distress button and pressing the distress button for 3 seconds. At this point in time, a DSC message will be transmitted to all stations within the vicinity of the vessel on channel 70. Any follow-on voice communications that will be necessary will be conducted on channel 16 for distress and emergency traffic. The DSC that will be sent out to all vessels and the coast station in the vicinity is the vessel's MMSI. The nature will be listed as undesignated, the latitude will be listed, and the longitude will be listed. This DSC will be retransmitted every 3 to 5 minutes until the DSC is either annulled, a station acknowledges the call, or the radio loses power. To designate the nature of distress in our DSC distress alert, we will open the menu option Alert by pressing the soft key next to the word. By rotating the selector knob, we can highlight the specific menu option that we want. By pressing the selector knob, we can change the information. By pressing the soft key next to OK, we will be able to input the change. For our distress alert, we will change the nature of distress. We will change from undesignated to fire, and then press OK to have the information inputted. We will double check to make sure all of the information on our DSC is correct, and then we will lift the plastic tab covering the distress button, pressing and holding the distress button for 3 seconds, and then waiting. The information that will be sent over the DSC is the same as prior. It will send the MMSI of the vessel in distress. However, instead of having an undesignated nature of distress, we will be able to tell everybody that we are on fire or we have had an explosion, and it will still keep the position information. Same thing as prior, this message will be sent out on channel 70, and follow-on voice communications will be conducted on channel 16.